Kanega day kanalari news. Idon ban walam shapi yagi kattu kane ki kubor badon kam jonga tayo. Dagi hajar ngun ki panj ba khasi garo bat ki wei de ki jaj ban reo jonga thain ranikor kan thopro egi khna school bat ki longkmi longpa. Menhaga shpau tarik naitung arajar khatra kila yatu sharanikor nagbanta ban sakhi yaga jingpli panj ba Yau Maunong Rim, Jonga Ranikor Civil Subdivision, da Deputy Chief Minister ka Sorkar Jila uba Preston Tensong. Hagatayos ni naloru kongsan lai don ringkat ru uba James PK Sangma, Menteri Katanat ki Kampo Yeng, uba ALHEC, Menteri Katanat ka Kot ka Kya, ba Lakmen Remboy, Menteri Katanat ka Pule Puthi, iba Renington Lingdo Otongkar, UMLA, Kamau Kerwat Constituency, bat iba Martin M. Dangko, MLA Barim, Karanikor, bat ki wei de ki riurang ba, bat ki nongyalam, jo ki seng san perthai bapher. Hakatigas ni, Nagaliang u Chairman Jonga Ranikor Civil Subdivision Demand Committee, uba Kit Borlang Nongrem, ulayo ban pensngau, yaka jingyat lenti, Jonga Committee, Nagabanta, ban penyo, bat ban pen urlong, Yagatay ka Civil Subdivision Haranikor.
Salmangat, maju cus. Simon Photoman PBR ka AKBSI Adar Pas Jamaat Desh Salmangat ko Hajire Simon. Salmangat, nikolai chal.
For public convenience and better administration, the Governor of Meghalaya considers it necessary to upgrade the Ranikor Administrative Unit to a civil subdivision to be known as Ranikor Civil Subdivision in the Southwest Kasini District with headquarters at Ranikor, comprising of the villages of the CLRD block Ranikor as listed in Schedule 1.
Hai, Kap Kibiang.
Thank you. Ada apa?
Let's get the big round of applause. Apabila ban ban kue baru naru kasih kasih USDO civil jompi untrekam negeri office kabeliong the temporary office ka building jom West Street juga tinggi kabadon hangte hane that Danggo today is the man of the match, but I should say that is still not appropriate, I should say. He is the man of the Ranikor Civil Subdivision. Uni udel breu ubapunio ya ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision. He is the one. Whether you like it or not, but you have to accept the reality. Tenara daw ki parlok ba it, banyo ia ka Civil Subdivision Kamde targeting boss new. Banyo ia ka civil subdivision. Kador kabarem halo kata-kata. Aga ba une urang ba ngayo ia ka phone call jong uhaga adhoi kritengge. Kabaong ia na rengkat bakka jingjau umat. Ngal resign ngala ino. Ya ka kam MLE. Namar banakwa banyoi baka civil subdivision kan trei kam no hange po alaniko. That's why I call him man of the Raniko. Kajingkwa jogi pipe ba Banyo Civil Subdivision bat Banyo District. Nakwa ban persyai hakmat jogi Rigapor. Nakaliang juga sorkat MDA. Ngindu tia ngindu dem. Namal kading angut ke jogi kalong. Ban warna ia ka sensar paiba. Syadu syak kompong yin. Jong ka wepa kui ka tliu yin. Hapo ajalam ikhlahat. Kata regaman kwa ban penkip yoki. Iba bun ki jata iba bun ki area. Nagaling ke jongi. Idang examin. Ban yang ngetshem. Hati dikip nai batisnem ki banwan. Inilah ban penurung susu yang kajing anut ki paitba jong ke dalam ikhlas.